Did you know that loyalty can become your worst enemy? In the Ledger of Truth, Mr. Verma's bodyguard faces the hardest choice of his life. For 8 years, he protected his boss without question. The job paid well. It helped cover his disabled daughter's medical bills. Life was good, but then he discovered something terrible. Mr. Verma had ordered the death of Ayan's father, the same man who once helped the bodyguard's family when they had no money, the same man he called a friend. Worse yet, he realized he had helped cover up the murder. All those times he disposed of evidence, he was hiding the truth about his friend's death. Now Mr. Verma wants to hurt another innocent family, Ayan's family. The bodyguard stands at a crossroads: keep his job and stay silent, or risk everything to do what's right. When integrity meets survival, which choice would you make? Watch the Ledger of Truth to see how this impossible decision unfolds. Like and share this with your friends. Subscribe for more episodes where truth battles corruption.